Kahapon, Linggo, September 10, 2023, sa 24 na oras pa rin ng GMA7, nagbigay ng pahayag ang kampo nina Tito Sotto, Vic Sotto, at Joey De Leon o TVJ kaugnay ng pagsasapubliko ng tape ng pagkabawi nila ng control sa YouTube account ng Itbulaga. Nabahala raw sila dahil inamin ng tape na dati silang walang access sa YouTube channel ng Itbulaga. Iginiit din nilang ang may-ari ng account ay ang may-ari ng email na nag-register ng naturang account. Hindi ang tape, ayon kay Attorney Enrique de la Cruz, abogado ng TVJ Productions ng EAT ng TV5, we find this news very disturbing. Tape is announcing to the public that it regained access to the Itbulaga YouTube channel. This means they previously did not have access. The owner of the YouTube channel is the owner of the email used to register it. It is not tape. That is why they never had access to this account. Sa mga naunang lumabas na balita, si Jenny Ferra umano ang may likha ng YouTube account ng Itbulaga. At di umano'y copyright pa niya ito. Si Jenny ang dating Executive Vice President for Production ng tape na pagmamayari nina Romeo Haloshos Sr. at Tony Tuviera. Dagdag pa ni Attorney De La Cruz, the content of that YouTube account are past episodes of Itbulaga. The copyright of those shows and all derivative works belong to TVJ. Pinag-uusapan na raw nila ang nararapat na legal na hakbang na maaari nilang gawin laban sa tape. Ayon pa sa abogado, we are preparing the appropriate legal action against tape. This may constitute a cybercrime if they hacked into the account or made misrepresentations to YouTube. Kinontra naman agad ito ng tape lawyer na si Garduque. Pinabulaanan niyang nahak ang nasabing YouTube account to their favor. Pahayag ni Garduque sa pahayag na inilabas ng 24 na oras published as is tape did not hack the account. Tape will never do such a thing. Thus, it is not liable for cybercrime. Being the owner of the account, Tape was able to coordinate with YouTube to change the email and the password and the new contact person in behalf of the company. Ipinaliwanag din ni Garduque na ang hindi pinangalan ng empleyado na may gawa ng account ay nakakontrata pa noon sa Tape. At naipakita raw nila sa YouTube ang mga katibayan na sila ang totoong nagmamay-ari ng account, pati na ang linked bank account sa nasabing channel. Ang ginamit na pagtukoy ni Garduque sa hindi pinangalan ng dating empleyado kaya babae nga ang may gawa nito noon. Saad pa sa pahayag, the person who made the account was an employee of Tape when she made the account and she made the YouTube account in behalf of Tape, Inc. Tape, Inc. is ready to show the official receipts from YouTube stating that it is the one which spent to create the account. The bank account linked to the YouTube account is likewise owned by Tape, Inc.